Hey guys, and this week I am living with this, the KGM Actyon. This is a very unique looking vehicle and there's no obvious branding in the front. It only comes in its top of the range spec here in the UK and it's priced around £38,000 and this particular one is in grand white. So stay tuned and enjoy this video as you live with me as I live with the car for the week. Enjoy! A little bit of a food haul on this lovely rainy day. And got some goodies, including a reduced cake. How good's that? A wee afternoon delight. So the reversing camera makes life really easy in this car. I think it's really clear and crisp and you can change the view at a touch of a button, like so. And what I did notice when you indicate, it also comes up there. How cool's that? A little diagram of your KGM in the white colour. With that, it's really cool programming. But yeah, I think it's nice, easy to use and makes life parking a doddle. And I'm using the car to come and get some breakfast rolls on a nice Friday morning with the weather being like this. But so far, a couple of days in with the KGM and life is peachy. I'm getting used to it so quickly. I've never really managed to get in a car and just grasp to it like so quickly as I have with this car. I don't know why. But yeah, like it's a little bit chunky. It's not too wide, which I think is nice. It's big in terms of length and height, but it's not imposingly wide, which is important for especially parallel parking and bay parking here in the UK. I'm just looking at there's a Kia Sorento over there and that's kind of filling the space. I'd be curious how much is in it dimension wise, but this feels pretty nice inside, like just to manoeuvre it. Especially these little black bits on the bonnet. They catch your eye at first when you're driving, but once you see them and you get used to it, yeah, you get used to it quite quickly. Day 6 with the Action and managed to finally get the Thompson's coffee almond croissants. Check them out. These are probably the best in Glasgow. So that is a very good thing. After like 3 or 4 days of trying, had them in stock, got 2 of them, and yeah, the action's been quite good. Overall, just getting really gelling with the car, really enjoying just getting in and going. Gearbox sliding between drive and reverse can be an issue sometimes. Just literally when you're putting it forward for drive or putting it back for reverse, or the other way around, the car, it takes a second to like go between it. Like if you do it too quickly, it'll go into neutral. And yeah, it's a bit annoying doing like a 3-point turn or a tight like manoeuvre when you're going back forward, back forward, back and forward. But out with that, it's not been too bad. Just loving with everything else about the car. Space is good. Tech I'm getting used to as well for what I'm needing it for. And I found a shortcut at the top. You swipe down from the top, you can silence the beeping and bonging for the speed warning, which is fantastic. And sorry if I'm sounding a little bit nasally towards the end of this video. As the days have progressed, my illness and cold and flu just seems to be progressing worse and worse. So I feel like I'm sounding a little bit horrid, but apologies for that. That comes across on the camera. Train station car park run and car park run. Fitting in not too that badly. I will say this, I think the KGM Action's got a nice width to it, like next to this Audi A6 Avant. Probably similar length actually, but yeah, I fit in the space alright. I love just the width, like being able to place it. Let me flip the camera. So this is what I'm talking about, like your sight line here, you can see pretty perfect. Like trying to park this car in the lines. Really good job from behind the seat and the driver. So what I can say is overall, this KGM really impressed me. I had not unknown expectations because this car is the first time I've experienced a KGM product and the Actyon certainly delivered. I really think you get a lot for your money considering it's under £40,000 in 2025 and you get all the luxuries of the nice leather, the technology. It looks different enough as well and it's quite a large SUV which can throw your whole family into. So a special thanks to KGM UK for loaning me this vehicle for the week to live with it and hopefully you all guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more car content. See you next video.